Alam mo ba na may mga taong bumibili ng lupa dito sa New Valley years back at doble na ang value today? Panoorin mo itong video na to dahil ipapakita ko sa iyo kung bakit ang Aberdeen Estates at Southdale Settings New Valley ang smart move para sa iyo. Hi friends, this is your host Mackie Oligari of Dream Moms 101 on YouTube. Buckle up, because today I'm very excited dahil ang pag-uusapan natin ay dalawang exciting subdivisions, which is Aberdeen Estate and Southdale Settings New Valley, and about doon sa construction updates and doon sa promotional natin today. So habang umiikot tayo dito sa New Valley, makapansin mo agad yung wide roads, landscape na sidewalks, bike lanes, at ang linis ng paligid. For first-time viewers natin sa channel, New Valley is master plan development by Ayala Land, meaning everything here is carefully designed. Residential, commercial, retail, offices, schools, and lifestyle hubs all integrated. Strategic location into sa Santa Rosa at Calamba. Accessible siya via SLEX, Mount Pleasant exit, Calax, and in the future magkakaroon tayo ng access sa Batino exit na pinakamalapit sa mga residential developments natin dito sa South. So from Makati or BGC, roughly mga around 45 to 50 minutes lang, depende sa traffic, nandito ka na sa New Valley. And then malapit tayo sa airport, at dito sa loob ng New Valley may mga commercial hubs tayo like Metro New Valley. Nandyan yung ating Lakeside District and yung mga government hubs natin tulad ng Pag-ibig, PhilHealth, LTO, and many more. So mayroon din tayong retail strips dyan tulad ng Big Box New Valley, Landers, SNR, Landmark New Valley, and more. Plus may mga schools tayo sa loob na mismo, kaya tinatawag na University Belt of the South ang New Valley dahil we have Xavier School, Miriam College New Valley, and Everest Academy. So when it comes sa mga essentials natin and developments na kailangan natin sa loob, di mo na kailangan lumayo dahil sa New Valley, we cater all just for the community and for the people who live inside New Valley. So kung naghahanap ka ng lupa na readily available na and magugustuhan mo pa yung design na gagawin mo, you can choose your own design just by buying your lots. We have here sa Aberdeen Estates New Valley, meron pa tayong 23 units na available. Ang start ng ating lot cut ay nasa around 158 up to 237 square meters na lot. So kapag interested ka, you can just message me to the numbers provided on the screen. So additionally, Aberdeen Estates, it's a 22 hectare development residential community sa loob ng New Valley, Calamba, Laguna, na developed by Abida Land under Ayala Land. Pero kahit naman sa Aberdeen or Southdale pa yan, you're entering a growth corridor. South Luzon continues to expand, infrastructure is improving really. Calax, future developments and commercial expansion will push through sa yung mga properties natin for values upward. If you want a site tour, updated prices, or computation, message me directly. Remember to not just buy property, build your future. See you on the next tour. Sa kinatatayuan ko, mapapansin nyo very low ang density, community natin, and wide roads, modern tropical yung design ng theme. Pagpasok pa lang, ramdam mo agad yung exclusivity, hindi siya cramped. Maluwag ang mga cuts ng lots, perfect for really modern luxury home. So binisita natin ang Aberdeen Estates New Valley para ipakita yung construction update right now. Ang ongoing development natin, yung works ng road and networks are being paved right now. The drainage systems in place, clubhouse structure progressing already, and nagla-landscape na rin. Maganda yung pacing ng development natin so far. Very Ayala standard. Idea lang para sa mga first-time viewers na rin natin, ang Aberdeen Estates Valley ay isang premium house and lot development na matatagpuan sa loob ng pinaka-largest eco city ng Ayala Land dito sa Pilipinas today, which is New Valley. Perfect to para sa families na gusto ng refreshing suburban lifestyle, tahimik lang, presko at surrounded by nature. Pero may easy access pa rin sa mga malls, schools, transport hubs at healthcare facilities. May dalawang modern contemporary house models tayo. Pwede mong pagpilian ng Erin at Solea. Parehong designed para sa comfort, functionality, at very stylish living. Pagdating naman sa amenities, enjoy ang swimming pool. We have dyan yung clubhouse na may function hall for events, basketball court, at very well-designed parks and playgrounds kung saan pwede kang mag-relax at pwedeng makipag-bond ang buong family mo. Dito sa Aberdeen Estates New Valley, mararanasan mo ang perfect na balance ng comfort at convenience habang napapaligiran ka ng lush green spaces na talagang design para sa well-being mo. Kung hanap mo ang suburban sanctuary na swak para sa dream home mo, this might be the one na hinahanap mo. Right now, nandito tayo ngayon sa Southdale Settings New Valley. It is a 21 hectares development and not just a subdivision, but a complete master planned community built really for smart investors. With premium amenities and world-class facilities, you get wide open spaces, landscape parks, kids playground, swimming pools for adults and kiddie pool, plus an exclusive clubhouse na perfect for gatherings and events. Imagine, you're waking up every day na surrounded by nature. Sa New Valley, buhay ang lifestyle. Perfect for active living, weekends, panalo. From sunset viewing, koi fish feeding, siguradong may bonding moments ang families. And where families thrive, property values rise. And that's surely is potential. Kahit suburban ang vibe, hindi ka kasi isolated. Southdale Settings New Valley is connected to major roads and highways just as Aberdeen Estate, making it easy to travel to Metro Manila and nearby provinces. Perfect talaga siya kung hanap mo ay balanced and peaceful din na living. Exactly what today's home buyers and long-term investors like you are looking for. Pero kahit sa Aberdeen or Southdale settings pa yan, you're entering a growth corridor. South Luzon continues to expand infrastructure and is improving. Calax, future developments, and commercial expansions will push property values upward. Kaya sa mga interested na mag-invest dito sa New Valley, na ready na for occupancy, please PM me or message me to my personal number, which is 0997-2650-593. It's a go-to number na din sa WhatsApp and Viber. And follow my page on my Facebook, Dream Moms 101, and YouTube for more upcoming updates, ang mga videos na susunod natin dito sa channel. And again, this is your host, Mackie Olegario of Dream Moms 101, where your dreams become a reality one home at a time.